Welcome WBP stars. My name is Thijs Vervloet from restaurant Colette De Vijvers in Averboden. Welcome on our new location. And today I'm presenting you one of my signature desserts. And today I make you Crêpe Suzette. Let's start with caramelizing sugar that we're gonna put on the pan, and there from when it's caramel we can make and finish our Crêpe Suzette. We've baked some really nice round and little flanches, or pancakes, and this is the base, and we're gonna finish with this, our Crêpe Suzette. So as you see, the sugar is starting to caramelize. We're gonna leave it just when all the sugar is melted. And you have to be careful because it's really hot at first, and when it's starting to get in caramel, it goes quick. It goes fast. First, now, when we have our caramel, we're gonna put a little bit of butter into our pan. Then we're gonna put some fresh pressed orange juice in it, and the smell, that is what we need. We have the smell of the sugar, the butter, and the fresh pressed orange juice. Now we're gonna leave it a little bit when we have a little bit of more syrup. So when we put in the pancakes, they stick good around the sauce. As you see, the syrup is getting good around our pancakes. To be sure that the whole pancake is good around the syrup, we turn it over. And we close it back like where we started. Extra syrup on it, and now it's ready to heat up a little bit more the fire we're gonna put in our Grand Marnier. Voilà. And then we flambe it with some Grand Marnier. Turn off the heat, and we're gonna put in our parts of fresh orange, and they are soft. Stop. Line 2. For me, this is an example of a really classic dessert. Some fresh zests of lemon, green lemon, and some fresh zest of orange. And we serve it with our homemade turbinated vanilla ice cream. Enjoy our classic Crêpe Suzette.